Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this little 1-inch Purdy paintbrush is an awesome thing to have for small painting projects. So if you have tight spaces where you're trying to get into, it can be really challenging with a standard size paintbrush, but this 1-inch paintbrush really does the trick. It gets into all the little spaces, but still gives you that really good quality and control that you get from Purdy paintbrushes. The bristles are a medium stiffness and they are made from a nylon polyester, so you can use these with all different types of paints and stains. It is very versatile and it really just is the perfect little brush when you need to get into a small space. So I always use these Purdy paintbrushes. I have a variety of sizes because they're definitely the best and they really do a great job. So if you're looking for a small, versatile little paintbrush that is going to get in all the nooks and crannies of your painting project, then you should definitely check out this one from Purdy. It's a great find, and that's my point of view.